Hello students, I am Sunaina from Suraj School, Rewari. Today I am explaining NCERT question from fifth question. Okay, fifth question is a two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometer in 1 liter of petrol. 1 लीटर पेट्रोल में वो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है 55.3 किलोमीटर. How much distance will it cover in 10 liter? There is given 1 liter कि 1 liter में distance cover कर रहा है 55.3 and we have to find कि 10 liters पेट्रोल में वो कितना distance cover करेगा. तो कैसे करेंगे हम इस क्वेश्चन को? By multiply. तो statement in 1 liter of petrol distance covered how much 55.3 kilometer. Okay, and we have to find in 10 liter of petrol. So we multiply 55.3 by 10 and when we multiply by 10 we only shift the point, this point, one digit right side. So we get the answer 553 kilometer. Okay, now next question, sixth question. There is so many parts. First part 7 divide 3.5. There is given कि how to multiply decimal numbers, कि हम decimal numbers को कैसे divide करेंगे. तो first part 7 divide by 3.5. Firstly we change this decimal number into fraction form and we remove the point and we use 10. Now change this divide sign into multiply. When we change this sign into multiply, reciprocal of 8, हम इसका reciprocal करेंगे and we get 7 divide 35 as 5 and this is divide 10 and we get 2 answer. Okay, firstly we remove this point and change this divide sign into multiply, then reciprocal of 8 and then we solve it. Okay, now second part 36 divide by 0.2. Same procedure we will use. Firstly remove this point and we can write 0.2 as 2 upon 10. हम 0.2 को 2 upon 10 भी लिख सकते हैं. Now change this divide sign and reciprocal of 8. Now this divide 36 on 18. 18 multiply 10, 118. Okay. Now third. Now third question 3.25 divide by 0.5. In both the numbers they are having point, so remove point from both number. हम दोनों नंबर में से हम क्या करेंगे, point को remove करेंगे and we can write 3.25 as 325 upon में 100 and this write 5 upon 10. Now change divide sign into multiply and reciprocal of 8. Now by 10 cut by 10 and here this is divide as 6 5. We get 65 upon 10 and when we divide by 10 we get 6.5 answer. Okay. Now fourth part of it 30.94 divide by 0.7. same procedure we will use. We remove the decimal and we can write like that, and this is 7 upon 10. Now change this into multiply and reciprocal of 8. This is divided by this and this divide. You can solve here like 28 as 4, and this is again divided on 4 and we get 14 and 2. 7 से जब हम इस 3094 को डिवाइड करेंगे वी विल गेट, हमें क्या मिलेगा 442, एंड इन डिनोमिनेटर हैविंग 10 एंड डिवाइड बाय 10 देन वी गेट 44.2. Okay students, now fifth part. 0.5 divide 0.25. Now same, first 5 upon 10 we can write, and this number we can write like 25 upon 100. Now change again and reciprocal, this divide 25 as 5 and this, and we get 2 answer. Okay, now sixth part. 7.75 divide 0.25. Okay, we will use same procedure in all questions. Now we can write 0.25 as 25 upon में 100. Now change divide sign into multiply and reciprocal of this. Now 100 cancel by 100 and 25 31. We get 31 as answer, and there are more parts of the sixth question, so you can solve it yourself. Okay beta. Now seventh question, and this is last question of NCERT questions. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometer in 2.4 liters of petrol. There is given कि पेट्रोल कितना है 2.4 लीटर एंड डिस्टेंस कितना कवर हुआ है हमारा 43.2 किलोमीटर. नाउ हाउ मच डिस्टेंस विल इट कवर इन 1 लीटर ऑफ पेट्रोल. प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में क्या था कि वी हैव टू फाइंड 10 लीटर ऑफ पेट्रोल एंड गिवन 1 लीटर की 1 लीटर में कितना कवर कर रहा है, और यहाँ पे हमें मोर देन 1 का पता है कि कितना कवर कर रहा है और 1 लीटर का फाइंड करना है. तो हेयर वी विल यूज डिवीजन मेथड. हम यहाँ डिवाइड करेंगे, उसमें हमने मल्टीप्लाई किया था. तो फर्स्टली वी राइट इन 2.4 लीटर ऑफ पेट्रोल डिस्टेंस covered 43.2 kilometer and find 1 liter of petrol. If 1 liter में वो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर करेगा 43.2 डिवाइड बाय 2.4. ओके, और अभी हमने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन किए इस टाइप्स के, तो हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. Firstly, remove your decimal and write like that, and in this also remove. Now change divide sign into multiply and reciprocal of 8. Now this is 10 cancel by 10 and 24 completely divide this 18. तो 18 किलोमीटर ही कवर्स इन 1 लीटर ऑफ पेट्रोल। 1 लीटर पेट्रोल में वो 18 किलोमीटर कवर कर सकता है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हैव ए नाइस डे।